Taking care of your garage door goes beyond just ensuring its functionality. It also plays a crucial role in the safety of your home. Firstly, it is important to regularly vacuum around your garage door to prevent dust and debris from clogging the tracks and causing damage. Additionally, cleaning the sensors is vital, as any dirt or obstruction can affect their performance, potentially leading to safety hazards. It is also important to be mindful of what is stored around your garage door. Items that are stacked too high can easily fall and potentially damage the sensors and cause a malfunction. Furthermore, keeping an ear out for any odd sounds when opening or closing the door is crucial. If you notice these unusual noises, it is best to get a professional to repair it to prevent further damage and ensure the safety of your family.